Jai Shri Gurudev, seeking the blessings of Puji Mahaswamijis. Welcome you all to Department of MBA, SJPIT. Myself, Dr. Mamata J, Professor and Head Department of MBA. SJPIT, being a premier institute, is offering a 2 years full-time regular Masters in Business Administration. Department started in the year 2008, approved by AICTE, affiliated to Vishweshwarya Technological University with an intake of 60 students. Gradually increased to 120 intake in the year 2013. So the department was established with the vision of becoming a recognized management education center in par excellence with the global perspective. To ensure this, we in the department engage ourselves to create such an environment to foster continuous learning with ethical values, intellectual development in business administration, along with social responsibility, so that our students will become a contributing members of the dynamic business environment and society. So MBA program is a professional course which enables students to learn the knowledge, not only learn the knowledge but also try to get the industry standards, be familiar with the industry standards in terms of communication and moves. In our department, we offer a diverse range of specializations, including mainly in the domains of HR, marketing and finance. So all our classrooms are ready for a digital classroom environment. We here follow the approach of blended classrooms and the flipped classroom approach using Bloom's taxonomy to match the requirement of the current digital trend. The digital classrooms are equipped with Apple TVs, completely Wi-Fi enabled to support the advanced pedagogical style. Apart from the curricular activities, students are also engaged in industry-oriented training programs. To name Advanced Excel Microsoft Certification Program for right from the first semester and ERP or CRM in the second year. Students are encouraged to attend training programs which are industry oriented. From the industry point of view, we are training our students with respect to Microsoft Advanced Excel, which is the most sought software learning program in the industry, right from the first semester itself. And in the consecutive semesters, they will be learning on ERP or CRM as preferred by the students. So apart from the curricular and training programs, we do organize skill development programs like webinars, faculty development programs and workshops to enhance the employability skills of the students. All our faculties are highly qualified, majority with PhDs to help quality teaching learning process. Among the benefits for MBA students, the salary structure for MBA is usually far high compared to other master's degree. We have our HRD department along with the department of MBA exclusively meant for our soft skill training of the students and for placements together. Some of the career choices for MBA include marketing research analyst, management analyst, banking jobs, managers in various domains and many. And some of the reputed companies where our students are being placed include Amazon, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, KPMG, Thomson Reuters, Iron Mountain, HDFC, Axis Bank, Infosys, IBM, Wipro, TCS and many to name. So the students from various places apart from Bangalore are provided with fully furnished and equipped hostel facilities and a computer lab equipped with new computers with latest software installed in it is enabled or is accessible to the students to pursue or engage themselves in their research works, to work on their project works. And the latest software most sought in the market, SPSS, is also installed in the computers for the use of students for their research works. So right from the beginning, we try to inculcate the research skills in the students so that they develop a research attitude in the future. In addition to this, students are also encouraged to participate in various co-curricular activities. For the physical activities, we do have a sports stadium to engage students in both indoor and outdoor activities. We do organize many of the cultural events to help students to exhibit their talents. So MBA course is a professional course which is most sought professional course nowadays in the market. Then what are you waiting for? Get set to join us. Hope you all enjoy your stay with HJBIT campus. Thank you for listening. Thank you all.